Welcome one and all to the grand adventure that is the exploration of ginger. This isn't just any ordinary journey, oh no. We're about to embark on a spicy expedition into the heart of one of nature's most fascinating gifts. Ginger? Really? That stuff we occasionally sprinkle into our tea or my holiday cookies? Yes, that's right. This humble root with its distinctive fiery flavor is a superstar in the world of health and wellness. And today, we're going to uncover the secrets it holds. But don't worry, this isn't gonna be a dry, dull lecture. We're gonna keep things light, lively, and full of zest, just like our star ingredient. So fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're about to take off on a wild ride. We'll navigate the twists and turns of scientific research, scale the heights of health benefits, and we will dive deep into the flavorful depths of culinary uses. Onwards to the ginger world! 1. The Nausea Ninja. Have you ever felt like your stomach is doing somersaults? Maybe it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or perhaps you've had a culinary misadventure with some questionable sushi. Whatever the cause, nausea can really put a damper on your day. But fear not, for Ginger, the Nausea Ninja, is here to save the day. Ginger, with its superhero-like powers, swoops in to combat that queasy feeling. It's like the Batman of your digestive system, always on call, always ready to spring into action. The secret to its power lies in the active compounds known as gingerols and shogaols. These are the real heroes, working behind the scenes to soothe your tummy and restore peace to your digestive system. These compounds are like the ninja stars in Ginger's arsenal, helping to calm the storm in your stomach. They work their magic by relaxing the gastrointestinal muscles, reducing the urge to, well, you know. The next time you're feeling a bit green around the gills or your stomach is staging a mutiny, remember to call on the power of ginger, your very own nausea ninja. 2. The Immunity Idol. Now, let's turn our attention to ginger, the immunity idol. Ginger is not just a spice, it's a veritable idol when it comes to boosting your immune system. Think of it as a personal trainer for your body's defense mechanism, helping it to fight off those pesky germs that are always looking for a way in. The gingerols in ginger are like the cheerleaders for your immune system, stimulating the production of cells that are essential for a strong defense. They're the ones on the sidelines, cheering on your immune system, encouraging it to work harder, faster, stronger. Adding a dash of ginger to your diet is like giving your immune system a pep talk, a motivational speech that gets it pumped up and ready to take on the world. 3. The Migraine Master. If you've ever had a migraine, you know it's like having a very persistent, very loud drummer playing inside your head. It's a relentless beat that drowns out everything else, making it hard to focus on anything but the pain. But guess what? Ginger, the Migraine Master, can help quiet that drummer down. Ginger works its magic by reducing inflammation and relaxing the blood vessels in your brain, easing the pain. It's like a soothing lullaby that lulls the drummer into a peaceful sleep, bringing quiet and calm to your head. Next time a migraine decides to put on a concert in your head, let Ginger be your noise-canceling headphones, blocking out the noise and bringing you much-needed relief. 4. The Cancer Combatant. Let's talk about a heavyweight champion in the ring against cancer, ginger. Scientific studies have shown that ginger can potentially lower the risk of certain types of cancer. How, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to its antioxidant properties. These antioxidants are like the special weapons in ginger's arsenal. They help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which are often implicated in the development of cancer. So, while ginger might not be the standalone superhero that eradicates cancer, it's definitely a powerful sidekick in the fight against this formidable foe. It's like the Robin to your Batman, always ready to lend a hand, or a root, in the battle against cancer. 5. The Sugar Sheriff. Next up, we have Ginger wearing the star badge as the sheriff in the wild, wild west of your body, maintaining law and order when it comes to high blood sugar levels. Picture Ginger on horseback, galloping through your bloodstream, keeping those sugar outlaws in check. Ginger has the power to stimulate insulin production, which is like deputizing your body's own cells to help in the regulation of sugar levels. But that's not all. It also has the ability to reduce inflammation, a key factor in controlling type 2 diabetes. Therefore, if your body's sugar levels are acting like a rowdy gang of outlaws, causing chaos and disorder, let ginger, the sugar sheriff, restore peace and balance. 6. The anxiety alleviator. Now, let's set sail into the stormy seas of anxiety. It can feel like a tempest is brewing in your mind, with the waves of worry crashing against the shores of your peace. But fear not, for ginger is here to guide you through the storm. Ginger has been used for centuries as a beacon of calmness, helping to reduce feelings of nervousness. It's like a lighthouse standing steadfast amidst the storm, its light cutting through the fog of worry and guiding you back to the calm waters of tranquility. When the storm of anxiety starts to brew and the waves of worry start to rise, let ginger be your guiding light. Let it illuminate your path and lead you back to the calm shores of peace and tranquility. 7. The indigestion inspector. Indigestion. It's like that uninvited guest at your dinner party, always showing up at the most inconvenient times. But fear not, for ginger, our trusty indigestion inspector, is on the case. Picture ginger with a magnifying glass, tirelessly working to solve the mystery of your upset stomach. It's also a pro at easing gas because, let's face it, nobody enjoys feeling like a human whoopee cushion. But that's not all. Heartburn, that fiery sensation that can turn a delightful meal into a nightmare, doesn't stand a chance against our indigestion inspector. Ginger, with its soothing properties, can help extinguish that internal fire, making it a natural remedy for those pesky digestive woes. So if your stomach is throwing a tantrum, let ginger play the peacekeeper. 8. The asthma advocate. Breathing. It's as natural as, well, breathing. But for those with asthma, it can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. Enter ginger, the asthma advocate, ready to champion for your lungs. It's like a motivational speaker, inspiring your airways to relax and do their job properly. Ginger works its magic by helping to relax the muscles in your airways. It's like a gentle yoga instructor, guiding your lungs through a calming session of airway asanas. This can make it easier for you to breathe, turning that uphill battle into a leisurely stroll in the park. Therefore, if your lungs are feeling a bit under the weather, or if they just need a little pep talk, let ginger be their spokesperson. It's always ready to advocate for a breath of fresh air. 9. The Alzheimer's adversary. Alzheimer's is a formidable foe, a sneaky villain that tries to steal away precious memories. But ginger is up for the challenge, ready to stand up to this adversary. Ginger can help decrease the risk of Alzheimer's by inhibiting the formation of plaques in the brain. These plaques are like unwanted guests that refuse to leave, causing damage to your brain cells. But ginger, with its superpowers, can help show these plaques the door. It's like a bouncer for your brain, ensuring that only the good guys get in. So, if you want to keep your mind sharp, let ginger be your brain's best friend. It's always ready to stand guard, protecting your precious memories from the villainous Alzheimer's. Remember, while ginger is a super spice, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, if you have any health concerns, make sure to consult with a healthcare provider. 10. The inflammation inhibitor. Inflammation is like that annoying alarm that won't stop ringing. It's your body's way of telling you that something's not right. But too much inflammation can lead to health problems. That's where ginger steps in. It's like the snooze button for your body's inflammation alarm. It can help reduce inflammation and soothe aches and pains. Therefore, if your body's sounding the alarm, let ginger hit the snooze button. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing benefits of adding a little spice to your life with ginger. But remember, while ginger is a super spice, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, if you have any health concerns, make sure to consult with a healthcare provider. Now go forth and enjoy the zesty, spicy, and oh so beneficial world of ginger. And don't forget to share your ginger-infused adventures with us in the comments below. Stay spicy, my friends. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep it spicy with ginger.